The 10 News Weather Authority, always watching and tracking for you from the JES Weather Center.
Hi there, friends. I'm meteorologist Jeff Hanowich. Hey, it's still raining in some of our backyards, but at least we're not dealing with the torrential downpours we had earlier this afternoon into the evening hours. We did have reports of about 6 trees down in Rural Retreat in western Wythe County. That's about the only storm report we've got in from the earlier showers and embedded thunderstorms. Right now, you'll notice the showers are moving to the east-northeast at about 30 miles per hour. We talked about some showers towards the highlands and top weather. Have a couple more showers along that I-77 corridor in Bland and Wythe counties. And we're also seeing some light to moderate showers out across parts of Pittsylvania, Campbell, Charlotte, and Halifax counties. Still raining moderately, maybe even heavily at times out across Charlotte Courthouse and Keysville into our extreme easternmost counties. Even South Boston seeing some light to moderate rain right now. But this batch of rain that we're dealing with right now will start to let up here over the next roughly 3 to 4 hours. You'll notice northbound, we do have some snow showers towards Illinois and Ohio. Eventually, the cold air is going to catch up with any remaining precipitation and change it over to snow come tomorrow towards the west slopes. Most of the snow, again, stays in West Virginia. But every now and again, we could get some snow showers pushing in towards parts of the highlands and New River Valley, not to mention the Mountain Empire. So portions of Bland, Wythe, Grayson, Giles, Highland, and Bath counties could indeed have some snow showers tomorrow. Friday's going to be windy with stronger wind gusts as those snow showers that we just talked about targets those upslope areas. The activity will start to wind down slowly Friday night into Saturday morning. You need to know that come Friday, come tomorrow, more sunshine east, more cloud cover west. Clouds build for everybody Friday night, and then Saturday will turn mostly sunny after some clouds to start the day. All right, let's talk about those peak wind gusts here. Friday, we're looking at them about 20 to 30 miles per hour. Saturday, winds are even stronger, 30 to 40 miles per hour. Sunday, those winds will start to settle down just a little bit for us. So what does that mean when we wake up Saturday morning? It means you're going to want to bundle up and take good care. It is going to be so cold out there for us Saturday morning. It's going to feel like the teens in the Highlands, NRV, and Roanoke valleys. You're going to, I think, have those feel-like temperatures in Lynchburg and Southside in the 20s. So again, Saturday morning, not tomorrow morning, Saturday morning, it's going to feel really, really cold outside. And then we'll turn our attention to another storm system by next week. Monday night into Tuesday, we're going to have some scattered showers likely, but by then temperatures are going to warm back up again. So while we may have some mountain snow showers tomorrow, our next storm system early next week is all going to be rain because by then temperatures are back well into the 50s, even a couple of 60s. 46 right now in Wytheville, 51 Roanoke, 53 Lynchburg and Danville, 48 in Hot Springs. For tonight, still going to have some lingering showers around. Winds are going to increase after midnight. Overnight lows in the 30s and 40s. For tomorrow, sunshine east, clouds west. Breezy, arguably windy, and again, those upslope snow showers will be in full effect tomorrow with highs anywhere from the 30s in the mountains to the 40s in the middle part of our viewing area, maybe even south side hitting 50. Extended forecast showing temperatures at their coldest Saturday, 41, back into the 50s Sunday and Monday, upper 50s, lower 60s, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday of next week. We are dry this weekend, another rain chance Monday night into Tuesday with yet another rain chance come next Thursday, 1 week from today. Today we forecast a high of 55. The actual high right now is 51. No money in the pot, $160 raised for the Special Olympics. I'm hoping because we're 51 right now, maybe we'll get to 52 by midnight.